John, Kayla here. It seems like you're going through a tough time with your PR managers and their ratings. It's always difficult to predict responses of your ratees. When ratees receive lower scores than expected, they may feel resentful or discouraged towards their supervisor, the appraisal system, and the organization as a whole. So we should always try to avoid disappointing ratees, but sometimes it's unavoidable. I received a phone call, some emails, and looked over the leader assessment charts to get a better understanding of the situation. It does appear that you rated all of the PR managers below other sources of feedback. I understand that the leader assessment is important to you because it was a major game changer for you when you were a PR manager. Also, it's really great that you put in so much effort to attend rater training seminars. My point is that I believe you did your best in rating the subordinates. Unfortunately, some of your subordinates disagree, so you must do some damage control. Put yourself in their shoes. You're a great boss who is supportive, which really surprised some of your PR managers when they received low scores. Some of your PR managers are disappointed and may even feel resentful towards you and the leadership assessment system. If these employees are not consoled or encouraged, they may end up performing poorly and feeling less satisfied with their position. There is even a chance that they will engage in counterproductive workplace behaviors, and you don't want that. It is in everyone's best interest to mend the relationship you have with these disappointed PR managers. I'm going to offer a suggestion. I know that you've already conducted individual sessions with your PR managers, in which you provided feedback relating to their ratings. It would be valuable to hold additional individual meetings with your subordinates, reassuring them that the purpose of the assessment was strictly developmental and that nobody is going to be penalized. Have an open discussion about their goals, objectives, and any concerns that they may have. Hopefully your PR managers will see this session as a more open, inviting, and motivating session than the previous one. You didn't do anything wrong. Sometimes things just don't go as planned and people get emotional. Let me know how it goes and keep me updated. Good luck.